Advanced Photography at KIS. Have you ever wanted to get whiter teeth without spending a lot of money at the dentist? Well, today I'll show you how to use Photoshop to brighten your teeth. Let's get started. Open a file in Photoshop, a portrait with dingy teeth. Ugh. Now I use the Command J key to duplicate this layer, and the reason I duplicate a layer is so that I don't destroy the original. I zoom in on the teeth, Command plus zooms in. If I'm out of the area, I can hold down the Shift key and move the range down. Now the first thing I do is I select the Magic Wand tool over here on the left. And my tolerance for the Magic Wand is at 25, which gives me a nice range to capture the color of shiny white teeth to dingy white teeth. I select tooth, hold down the Shift key, and continue selecting the white area of the teeth. And by holding the Shift key, it adds to that area of selection. Okay, looks like I'm doing pretty good here. I've got a few teeth in the back, but I'll catch those up in another process. There we go, that's good for now. I'm going to press Q now for a mask and turn on the mask. In turning on the mask, I'm going to use my brush tool to brush the area away. Notice in the brush tool I need to make my hardness at 100% so there's no softness in the brush. It's a hard brush. And now I select the areas that I missed before. So there's a spot there, there's a spot there, and there, and there. And maybe paint a little of this teeth over here. Try to get fairly accurate. You want to try to get as much of just the teeth as possible. Okay, I think I have a molar back over here. And that's pretty good for now. Turn off the mask by pressing Q again, and you see that's the area that I've selected. I should be good to go. Now in this image I'm going to apply a adjustment on this image itself. The adjustment is hue saturation. Teeth tend to be yellow, so I'm changing this from master to yellows, and I'm going to simply remove the saturation of that yellow. In other words, remove a lot of the yellow color away from that. And in addition, I'm going to increase the lightness of that layer. So be careful here, don't get carried away. You don't want to make it look like plastic teeth, so don't do too much. The last thing I'm going to do is actually add an adjustment layer. So I select layer, new adjustment layer, and I'm going to do curves. When I select curves, let's give it a name. I'll call it teeth. Here's my new layer right here, and as you can see there's a little bit selected, a little white. That's my area of selection. And my curve line, again, get very careful, do not lighten it too much. Notice as I move this band a little higher that I get a nice wider range, but again, don't overdo it. And I think there you have it. There is zoomed out. There's the original yellow teeth, and boom, white teeth without visiting the dentist. A younger me. Thanks for watching.